लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव, जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव। भगति से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे। ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे, गोसावी नंदन नित दिन गुण गावे। जय देव जय देव, जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव। टांगण वंदिन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे, प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंदे पूजन भावे वाळिन म्हणे नावा। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या तरुणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्ण दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकी नायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण
हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। बहुत ही खूबसूरत गणेश जी की आरती के साथ इस पावन प्रोग्राम का शुरुआत करते हैं। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी हैव सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा in the studio with me. Good morning, Sonal. How are you doing this morning?
Good morning, Neetu. Doing very well, and a very good morning to all of your listeners and also to the readers of Desi Devar who very religiously tune in and listen to you as well as our segment together.
Definitely.
And they truly appreciate you and they enjoy our segment too. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And once again, thank you to you for coming on air once again. Every Monday के महीने में आप once a month you come on and I am looking forward to, क्योंकि ज़्यादा I hope आपकी जो है वो in आने शुरू हो जाए, because I'm already receiving lot of calls and lot of requests कि ये देसी दीवार की सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा जी को आप और frequently लेकर आए मुझे। मैंने कहा चलिए ठीक है, definitely उनसे बात करेंगे हम।
आप बुलाएं and हम ना आए।
So we have to start our segments more often. So once a month नहीं, we have to start increasing it more forward.
Absolutely.
And because you are so good, so much knowledge you have about every topic that we talk of, and इतनी ज़्यादा information लेकर आती हैं, and people's reviews, अपने readers के reviews वगैरह लेकर आती हैं. It's always fun to share their stories and everything.
It is a lot of fun, Neetu. I really enjoy it with you here.
Definitely.
Actually.
Thank you so much. चलिए अब आज का हमारा खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम शुरू करते हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है दिवाली, India's biggest फेस्टिवल। डेफिनेटली दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू। तो आपने इसको टॉपिक को इस तरह से आपने रखा है, थोड़ा सा हमें इलैबोरेट करके बताएं आज क्या बात करने वाली है।
So I was thinking, since हम सबको दिवाली के बारे में इतना ज़्यादा पता है,
yes, definitely.
Right? Let's keep the format from kids' perspective,
okay.
Right? Because क्या होता है Neetu, I feel कि here in America we often get requests from our kids elementary school teachers to do a presentation on Diwali for their class.
Yes, occasionally we get that.
And we love equipping ourselves with the PowerPoint presentation on Diwali, and we love taking Diwali sweets for the little kids to taste, and then some hands-on activities like like painting the diyas, the little lamps, or maybe coloring the rangolis,
Rangolis,
our
yes.
floor art that is
Yes.
very popular during
Yes.
during Diwali. So we love doing all that, and we love doing the presentation. Our kids enjoy it.
Kids
right?
enjoy it,
So I
uh-huh.
thought it would be a perfect idea to do it from their perspective. In fact, most of the information that I bring today is from one such presentation that I did for my son's class.
Oh, okay.
And they were really amazed. They loved the stories on Lakshmi, and and drawing the parallel between the festivals celebrated here in America,
Right.
and our Diwali, which pretty much encapsulates all those festivals together.
Absolutely. So what was
right?
their reaction? What was the reaction
They
of the
loved
kids?
it. They loved it. They were full of questions and curiosity.
Right.
And they loved the colorful aspects of it. I think the most which I sensed the interest was the fact that Diwali is everything put together.
Everything
all
put
the
together.
festivals here in America, right?
Right.
And we'll get to that too as we
Sure,
we
definitely.
start talking more
Definitely.
on this. So, and yeah, that Ganesh Aarti was really beautiful that you started our segment with, because Ganesh की पूजा होती है for Diwali.
जी.
बिकॉज हमारे हिंदुइज्म में हम मानते हैं कि हर ऑस्पिशियस काम, हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत गणेश स्तुति से की जाए.
गणेश स्तुति से, गणेश चतुर्थी से, गणेश जी की पूजा करके एंड एवरीथिंग कहते हैं कोई भी चीज शुभ काम करना हो गणेश जी की पूजा करते हैं बिकॉज वो विघ्न हरता है एंड ही टेक्स अवे ऑल द ऑब्स्टिकल्स बिफोर यू आर स्टार्टिंग एनी न्यू बिजनेस और एनी न्यू प्रोफेशन
Perfectly
एंड
put.
वी शुड डेफिनेटली लुक फॉरवर्ड टू गणेश जी. तो अगर हमारे बच्चों से पूछा जाए कि व्हाट इज दिवाली, तो उनका सिंपल आंसर क्या होगा? बहुत सिंपल सा सवाल है, राइट? इफ आई यहाँ के बच्चे काफी क्यूरियोसिटी होती है. कई बार हम बच्चे सोचते होते हैं कि दिवाली, अच्छा दिवाली, छोटे बच्चे 3-4 साल का बच्चा पूछ रहा होगा अपनी मम्मी से कि क्या है दिवाली, तो आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करोगे उसे?
हाँ, फर्स्ट थिंग, Diwali is the most important Hindu festival.
Right.
And since India is largely Hindus,
Right.
Large number of population in India is Hindus.
Uh-huh.
So it's the most important festival of India.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
And the name Diwali comes from the Sanskrit word Deepavali,
Deepavali.
which means a row of lamp.
Uh-huh.
And we know that's how homes in India, every single home, since they are built of concrete,
Right.
every single home has rows of little
Absolutely,
lamps
absolutely.
lit all around the house, in the front, at the back, right? They gradually evolved into candles, and then now like electric lights.
Electric lights,
right?
yes,
Just like
absolutely.
here in Christmas.
Absolutely.
And the third point, which is very easy for them to say, is it just like a lot of festivals here, Diwali does not have a fixed date. It falls in fall, and it's based on the lunar calendar.
Yes.
The Hindu calendar is a lunar calendar,
Right.
and that is why it is based on the position of the moon. So, like we talked in our Navratri discussion last
Ji,
month,
ji.
that falls on Amavasya, the new moon day, and the next Amavasya of the Kartik month in Hindu calendar is Diwali.
Okay.
So, and something that we should just tell our kids is that Diwali is a festival that falls on the first new moon of the Kartik month.
Okay.
Kartik month of the Hindu calendar is supposed to be a very auspicious month.
Oh, okay.
Later, right after Diwali, the wedding season kicks in.
Right,
We
right,
see
right,
that,
right.
right?
Right, absolutely.
So that is what a very simple what is Diwali answer is.
ओके डेफिनेटली. तो बच्चों को अगर समझाना हो, जैसे कार्तिक का महीना आपने कहा कि अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदू कैलेंडर दैट्स अ वेरी ऑस्पिशियस मंथ. हाउ लॉन्ग इज दिस मंथ, डू यू नो?
I think Hindu calendar maybe month, I believe, are still 28 days.
Okay.
But if I'm wrong and आपके कोई कॉलर सुन रहे हो तो जरूर कॉल करके हमें
डेफिनेटली यस. सो इफ यू हैव मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कार्तिक महीना या जो दूसरे महीने होते हैं, अगर आप इसके बारे में कुछ और हमारे पास लाइट थ्रो कर पाए तो डेफिनेटली वुड लव टू हियर बैक फ्रॉम यू गाइज. 8174681220 इज द स्टूडियो नंबर. हम बात कर रहे हैं सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा के साथ एंड आवर टॉपिक फॉर द डे इज दिवाली. Of course, that is followed by why Diwali is celebrated. Sonal, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं.
Yes, so very briefly, Neetu, Diwali has many significance in India, right? And a lot of our kids already know that. So just to briefly summarize it, first, it marks the day when Lord Ram, who is regarded as an archetype of virtue and righteousness, right, returned to his kingdom from his banishment of 14 years.
Yeah.
Right? A banishment that he has graciously accepted from his stepmother, who wanted her own son to be the new ruler. Right?
That's right.
So, second, it celebrates the good over evil, the victory of good over evil. Right?
Right.
During his banishment, Lord Ram had killed the 10-headed Ravan,
Right.
the demon king who had kidnapped his wife Sita. Right? So
Yes.
the festival also celebrates the victory of good over evil.
Yeah.
And the third thing, Diwali also marks the end of the harvest season in most parts of India.
Okay.
Farmers give thanks to the good harvest,
Uh-huh.
and traditionally this also marks the closing of accounts for businessmen, for
Okay.
business people.
Okay.
Right? So Lakshmi symbolizes health and prosperity,
Uh-huh.
and people ask for her blessings.
Okay. Is it the closing of the accounts, Sonal, or I'm sorry for that, or the beginning of accounts? Because
Actually, a bit of both, I think.
yes, because I have a feeling, because my father was from a business
Oh,
family,
then you
and
would know better, Neetu.
that's what I was thinking. Because मेरे को ऐसे feeling आती है कि जब पापा अपने accounts की book खोलते होते थे, तो इस time पे एक विश्वकर्मा करके day भी celebrate किया जाता है, which is the
wow.
falls right next to the Diwali day,
हाँ.
and जो business owners हैं, especially जिसमें labor work use होता है, they used to celebrate that day, and it's called Vishkarma Day.
Oh, that's so
उसमें-
interesting.
Yes, और उसमें basically क्या होता है कि कहते हैं कि this is basically the onset जहाँ पे farmers बीज लगाना शुरू करते हैं अपने खेतों में, and जो नई account books होती हैं वो बनाई जाती हैं,
नया खाता शुरू
नया
होता है।
खाता शुरू होता है
Wow,
basically.
that is so
क्योंकि that's
interesting.
why March and April जो महीना आता है उसमें spring time होता है, and spring time में बसंत ऋतु आती है, and फसल को काटा जाता है और उस फिर फसल को जाके बेचा जाता है।
और वो बैसाखी होती
वो
है ना,
बैसाखी
स्प्रिंग
होती है,
में।
absolutely.
Right,
So my
right.
have a my feeling is कि I think this is the onset of the kind of a new season basically,
हाँ,
kind
और
of more
इसका
of a
क्या बताया नीतू, इसको क्या कहते हैं, विश्वकर्मा?
Vishkarma
That
Day.
is very interesting.
Yes.
I had not heard of the Vishkarma Day.
Yes,
That's
it's
very
more. I
interesting.
think it's more on the Punjab side, or
Acha.
more even could be in the UP side also. Those
Oh,
some of
acha.
the people celebrate that, and it's a holiday which falls
Right.
right next to the Diwali day.
Right.
Yeah.
And that is perfect because the whole idea is to take Lakshmi's blessing
Yes,
to start
absolutely.
the next year.
The new year.
With Lakshmi's blessings.
Lakshmi's
And
blessings.
Gujaratis, in fact, next day उसको New Year की तरह मनाते
वो न्यू ईयर
हैं।
की तरह मनाते हैं,
Right?
तो ऑल
हाँ।
दोज थिंग्स आर काइंड ऑफ कनेक्टेड, जैसे कि हम
Right.
कहते हैं, हम वो भी आपको पता होगा कि आई डोंट नो उसको वर्ड क्या कहते हैं, पर कहते हैं धनतेरस,
धनतेरस
जी।
वो होता है फर्स्ट डे ऑफ दिवाली।
फर्स्ट डे ऑफ
टेक्निकली
दिवाली।
उसको कहते हैं फर्स्ट डे ऑफ दिवाली।
एब्सोल्युटली। तो उस दिन हम वो करते हैं कि हम नई वो खरीदते हैं, नए बर्तन खरीदते हैं, या कुछ भी एनीथिंग
हाँ,
ऑफ स्टील वी
right,
ट्राई टू बाय,
exactly.
एंड देन वी इलैबोरेट द फेस्टिवल, वी बिगिन द फेस्टिवल festivities, let me put it that way,
बिल्कुल,
from that.
exactly.
All right, let's talk about Diwali now. Like we talked about, आपने बताया कि क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, different reasons of course. राम जी वापस आए थे, या राम जी ने रावण पर विक्ट्री की थी, and he got his wife back. Even today, not many Americans, they know about Diwali, but yes, some people do know that Diwali is celebrated over 5-day period. It's not
Right.
1 day, it's not 2 day, it's a continuous 5-day event. In fact, preparations बहुत जल्दी शुरू हो जाती हैं, and we could, if you could briefly summarize कि इन 5 दिनों में हम कैसे celebration को continue करते हैं, and how does it all begin?
Right, like you said, Neetu. Yeah, Diwali is actually a festival of 5 days, right?
Right.
Haan. And then each day has its own significance.
Right.
First day is Dhanteras. You
Yes.
already mentioned that.
Right.
And Dhanteras की सबसे खास बात है, people love to buy, depending on whatever they can afford.
Yes.
Yeah, they'll buy steel के बर्तन. Some people believe in buying anything of steel.
Yes.
Steel ke utensils, or they would buy gold or
Gold,
silver,
yes.
right? So that is day 1 is that.
Ji.
Second, day 2 is Choti Diwali.
Choti Diwali.
Day 3 is the actual Diwali that the world knows about.
Which is falling on November
Yes.
11th this year.
Yes.
Right.
And then day 4 is Gujarati New Year.
Gujarati New
Day
Year.
5 is Bhai Dooj. which is a celebration of brother-sister relationship.
Right.
And a lot of people in North celebrate it as a Kalam Davat Puja also.
Oh,
Kalam
okay.
means like pen and ink, like anything related to education.
Oh, okay.
So that is the Kalam Davat celebration.
Okay.
So, and like you said, preparations for Diwali begins way in advance.
Right,
People
right.
clean up their house thoroughly.
Uh-huh.
A lot of people even repaint their homes,
Yes,
right?
yes,
हम
yes,
whitewashing कहते हैं उसे
जी,
इंडिया में, right?
बिल्कुल.
So all that is pretty much like spring cleaning here.
Spring cleaning.
Right?
Yes.
So, and then second thing, people wear new clothes. They buy new clothes. They buy gifts and exchange gifts with each other, with their families, and with their business associates. So
Right.
that part is like Christmas.
Right.
And then families gather together to celebrate Diwali.
Uh-huh.
And that is like Thanksgiving and Christmas put together.
Absolutely,
Right?
absolutely.
People light, decorate their homes with little lamps in the Diwali season, right? There's lights, electric lights everywhere in the businesses, homes, and the atmosphere is exactly like Christmas here.
Absolutely.
The
We all-
atmosphere outside the
Yes.
homes, it's exactly like Christmas. There's no difference there.
No
right?
difference out there.
And then people.
बेसिकली मैं ये रिलेशन भी कहूंगी कि जैसे हेलोवीन खत्म होगी, सब बुरा बुरा सब खत्म हो गया, बुराई खत्म होगी, you know, all the चुड़ैलें are gone. Let me put it that way.
तभी मुझे अच्छा लगता है अगर हैलोवीन के बाद दिवाली आती है,
Absolutely.
बिकॉज कभी कभी होता है कि पहले आ जाती है
हाँ,
है ना,
और
एंड लगता है कि यू डोंट वांट टू पुट ऑल दोस गोस्ट एंड इविल स्पिरिट्स आउटसाइड योर हाउस व्हेन यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग लक्ष्मी टू वॉक इन थ्रू द डोर,
Absolutely, absolutely.
है
That's
ना.
true.
फिर बच्चों को समझाना मुश्किल होता है
बच्चों को
कि अरे
समझाना
नहीं
मुश्किल
मत
होता है.
लगाओ.
नहीं वो पर वो बच्चों के क्या है कि सिंस लिविंग इन दिस कंट्री दे प्रेफर कि हैलोवीन डेकोरेशंस हो rather than कि दिवाली के सेलिब्रेशन. They don't understand the significance of Diwali, but I feel like if we can inculcate those kind of feelings and knowledge in our kids so that they understand कि Halloween is बहुत ज्यादा important हमारे लिए दिवाली है.
इनफैक्ट दिस टाइम इज परफेक्ट. बच्चों ने अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट कर लिया.
जी.
अब हम अपनी दिवाली की तैयारी शुरू करें.
Absolutely. All right. We cannot talk about a Hindu festival, if we do not talk about the most popular stories जो हमारी हैं associated along with the festival. सोनल, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि आपके पास कौन सी ऐसी स्टोरीज हैं जो आप हमारे लिसनर्स के साथ शेयर करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले इफ यू डोंट माइंड कैन वी प्ले मे बी दिवाली सॉन्ग और समथिंग.
या श्योर. हाउ अबाउट ए लक्ष्मी सॉन्ग, बिकॉज जो मैं स्टोरी सुनाने जा रही हूँ वो लक्ष्मी की है.
तो बताइए कौन सा वाला.
एक ये है ना, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता बाय अलका याग्निक.
ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, इज इट बाय अलका याग्निक?
हाँ, राइट.
ओके, चलिए ठीक है, ये वाला वर्जन मैं ढूंढती हूँ और उसके बाद आजम सर आपकी भी रिक्वेस्ट मैंने लाइन अप की हुई है. आई विल डेफिनेटली प्ले दैट रिक्वेस्ट एज वेल फॉर यू गाइज. 8174681220 is the studio number for all your requests and your dedications, and yes, if you want to share your stories of Diwali. तो चलिए सुनते हैं इस खूबसूरत सी आरती को one more time अलका याग्निक जी की खूबसूरत आवाज में. Here you go, enjoy.
ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, मैया जय लक्ष्मी माता, तुमको निस दिन सेवत, मैया जी को निस दिन सेवत, हर विष्णु विधाता. ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता. उमा रमा ब्रह्माणी, तुम ही जगमाता. सूर्य चंद्रमा ध्यावत,
आरती सुन रहे हैं आप मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से मैं आरजे नीतू के साथ राइट हियर ऑन द एयरवेव्स ऑफ योर वन एंड ओनली फेवरेट रेडियो स्टेशन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन दैट इज योर Radio Hot Pepper 12:20 a.m. You can listen to us on the radio dial 12:20 a.m. or you can download our absolutely free app for iPhones or Androids, or you can listen to us worldwide on www.radiohotpepper.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, that is Radio Hot Pepper AM 1220. और हमारे साथ हैं
Sonal Kulshrestha.
from Desi Diwar. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonal ji, once again welcome you to the studios of Radio Hot Pepper. Thank you so much. Every once a month Mondays को आप आती हैं और हमारे listeners को entertain करती हैं live from the studios of Radio Hot Pepper. That really means a lot. Truly appreciate your dedication.
Like I say, Neetu, the pleasure is literally mine.
तो हम बात कर रहे थे दिवाली की
stories
स्टोरीज की. Yes, absolutely. तो please go ahead. मुझे एक कहानी सुनाए. मैं सुनने का मन कर रहा है.
And so जाना Neetu.
नहीं, सो की नहीं. ये बहुत अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है. So I definitely don't want to sleep
Right,
in
but
this
before I begin that story, of course, our Hindu epic Ramayana describes the story of Lord Ram.
Right.
But there's another story associated with Diwali which is very popular in mostly North. In fact, mothers narrate this story to their kids every Diwali night.
अच्छा.
And so it passes from generations to generations. So my mom used to tell us, and three of us, my brother and sister and I, would just crowd around her to
Right.
listen in. And now I tell that story to my kids.
Right.
So this story is about how Lakshmi visits, just like Santa is believed to visit on the Christmas night.
Right.
Lakshmi is believed to visit us at, on Diwali night.
On Diwali
right?
night. Okay.
So there once lived extremely poor 7 brothers.
Okay.
Right? Now the oldest one gets married to a very wise woman who insists that the brothers do exactly what she tells them to do.
Okay.
Right? So one day, just before Diwali, she tells the 7 brothers to bring her the first thing that they spot.
Okay.
The brothers happen to spot a dead snake and they bring that home to her. She asks them to place the dead snake on the rooftop. It so happened that a vulture who had picked up a queen's necklace from the royal pond side as the queen was bathing in the pond.
Uh-huh.
Now he spots the dead snake.
Okay.
So he picks up the snake and leaves the necklace there on their rooftop.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Now here at the palace, when the king learns about the missing necklace, he announces in the entire kingdom that whoever finds the missing necklace would be handsomely rewarded.
Okay.
We would give you land, property, dhan, lot
Ji
of
haan.
wealth
Ji
and
haan.
everything. Now, when the wife hears about this announcement, she sends the 7 brothers with the necklace,
Okay.
but gives them clear instructions. No matter what the king offers, do not accept it.
Oh, okay.
Instead, in return, just ask for one request. Tell the king that on Diwali night, nobody but the palace and their own home should be lit with Diwali diyas.
Oh.
Right?
Okay.
So that's what happens. And the king is very perplexed that here I am
Yeah.
offering them large amount of land and wealth, and that's
They are
the
not ready
only
to accept
request
it.
they have.
Right.
But he doesn't have a choice. He says, sure, if that's what you want. Right?
Okay.
So it so happens on Diwali night when Lakshmi begins her round, she realizes, what? Just the palace is lit?
And there's another home.
And this little tiny, very poor home is lit
Yeah.
with Diwali diyas.
Yeah.
She thinks, well, I visit the palace every single year, so why not go here
Oh,
instead?
okay.
So she starts to approach the house.
Uh-huh.
Now the wife had cleaned up her whole house and had lit little diyas and was ready to welcome Lakshmi in.
Okay.
But they are very poor, right?
Right.
So very poor, that means Daridra live with them. Daridra is the symbolism for poverty.
Okay.
So poverty lives with them.
Daridrata, जिसे
Yeah,
कहते हैं.
Daridrata कहते हैं,
हाँ,
right?
जी,
So the
जी,
word Daridra is poverty.
Right.
So they live with them.
Okay.
That's why they are
Because
poor.
that's why they're poor. Right.
So they started to panic because they thought, oh my gosh, Lakshmi is surely going to grace this house. We have got to leave it fast. So they start to rush out of the house. And then the wife says, you have spent so many years with these 7 brothers, with these very kind, simple 7 brothers. Now, if you leave now, then you have to promise me that you will never return.
Oh.
So they don't have a choice. So they promise and they leave the house because
Okay.
they cannot be in the same space as Lakshmi.
Right.
So they leave and then Lakshmi is at the door.
Okay.
So she is ready to welcome Lakshmi. And she bows her head and she welcomes Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi. But she says, I will not let you enter unless you promise that you will never leave this house again.
Oh.
So Lakshmi says, Tathastu, so
Right.
be it. And she enters.
Okay.
So needless to say, even though the family refused all land and wealth,
They are
they
today.
lived in prosperity forever.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
So my kids love this story. And even today in our house, Neetu, the day after Diwali, when we wake up, I always tell my kids, just soak in the prosperity that Lakshmi has left behind. Feel that in the house that she was here.
That she was
there.
there.
There might not be huge gifts lying around by the fireplace, but just soak in,
Yes,
the
yes,
prosperity and blessings is more important than materialistic gift that
Materialistic
even the
gifts.
king was willing to offer to the
Right,
poor
right,
family.
right, absolutely, absolutely.
So there
So
lies the...
that shows another kind of the moral of the story, that we should not be greedy. जो भी अगर थोड़ा सा मिल रहा है उसमें नहीं ग्रीडी होना चाहिए. वी शुड एक्चुअली लुक फॉर कि खुद लक्ष्मी माँ जब हमारे घर में आके वास करने को तैयार है,
भगवान
तो
की ब्लेसिंग्स
भगवान की blessings is
अपने
going to be
कर्म
there.
ऐसे करें कि हम भगवान की ब्लेसिंग्स एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी को ज्यादा अहमियत दें,
Rather
अपने
than,
बड़ों की ब्लेसिंग्स को
absolutely.
ज्यादा अहमियत दें.
rather than those materialistic worldly pleasures that can just give us pleasure for a little while, but not the long term happiness,
Exactly.
in our family.
Right,
Absolutely.
right.
Absolutely. तो सोनल, आपने कुछ शेयर भी किया था कि आपकी किसी लिसनर ने हमारे प्रोग्राम को सुन रही हैं and she's commenting something on that. Would you like to share that?
She sent me a text saying that she loves the introduction, the Diwali introduction, and a very simple summarization of what is Diwali, why is it celebrated, and especially the introduction to the
Right.
simple facts about Diwali, when it falls and things
Right,
like that.
right.
Yes.
So that is wonderful. तो अपनी इस listener का
हाँ,
and-
Sushmita.
Wonderful. Shushmita ji, thank you so much for sharing those wonderful views of yours, and truly appreciate it. Yes, if you have any views, you can share it with us on the studio number, which is
817-462-1220.
468.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. That's your first time.
468.
मैं सोनल जी को प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ ताकि ये अपना शो शुरू कर दे जल्दी से अपना रेडियो हॉट पेपर पे. All right, Sonal, wonderful. So let's talk about Diwali in India. Of course, the stories that your readers have sent to you from Desi Diwar, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I know. Neetu, before I even go to the stories that our readers have shared, I have to tell you now, living in America, we talk often about the memories that we have of Diwali in
Right.
India, right? That come just rushing to us at the mere feel of the festival.
Right.
That cool, crisp air, right? And you remember that, right?
We totally remember that.
Right.
इतनी प्यारी प्यारी memories हम सब की हैं. नए कपड़े मिलते
नए
थे
कपड़े.
और मेवे के डब्बे बनाने और फिर हम जाके उसे बांट कर आते थे. इस
Right.
रिलेटिव के, इस फ्रेंड के, ये
Neighbors
वहाँ.
के यहाँ,
और फिर-
family के यहाँ.
और लोगों के जो डब्बे आते थे
जो
वो
डब्बे
फटाफट
आते
खोल
थे,
देते थे.
ड्राई फ्रूट्स के डब्बे, हजार तरीके के मिठाइयाँ के
I know.
डब्बे,
And then we
that
used to
cleaning
analyze
of the
also.
house.
Oh, इसने अच्छा डब्बा दिया. Oh, इसका डब्बा ठीक नहीं था.
I know. And
So, those
also
are
the
the-
maids would start negotiating,
Yes.
बीबी जी जरा दिवाली का शगुन अच्छा
जी,
चाहिए,
जी, बिल्कुल,
right?
बिल्कुल,
And the parents would start preparing for everything that they have to hand out to the driver, the gardener,
Right.
the maid, the security guard of the
Every
apartment
person
complex.
who used to
Every
work.
person gets a
Yes,
Diwali gift.
yes, yes,
Everyone that we know, right? and also the pandals that every shop extends its
Right.
the area
Yes,
by
outside
putting
the-
those temporary tents.
Uh-huh.
So every shop is extended.
एक्सटेंडेड
There are
अंदर
lights
अंदर बाकी
everywhere.
चीजें अंदर चाहे कपड़ों की दुकान होगी बाहर पटाखे जरूर बिक रहे
हाँ,
होंगे
exactly. All the firecrackers right at the street.
Yes.
And the way we used to light it, like from our balconies, we
Uh-huh.
would light it in the candle and throw it down.
Throw it down.
Now, if you imagine how scary that is, right? Everywhere when you're walking left and right, people will be throwing Lakshmi bombs. Remember those little atom bombs we
Atom
कहते
bombs,
थे?
snake bombs होते
Snake
थे,
bombs and
फुलझड़ियाँ
round
होती थी।
chakri, anars. The
बिल्कुल,
whole street would be full of that,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
So, okay, let's go to the stories now. So, I have one from Mr. Rajendra Prasad from Gurgaon.
Mm-hmm.
He shares that it was their family tradition to celebrate Diwali each year with his parents and elder brother's family.
Okay.
So, from Delhi, he would drive his wife and 2 kids along with a small briefcase size suitcase
Uh-huh.
on a scooter
Okay.
to Ghaziabad, that was about 2 hours away.
Oh, nice.
And thinking back, he says he can't believe that a family of 4 managed to take a 3-day trip with just a little tiny suitcase.
My goodness.
In a scooter.
Yeah. Absolutely,
Right?
absolutely. That's right.
So, and then second story is by Rupal Mohan in
Uh-huh.
Phoenix, Arizona. She says that they lived in Green Park in New Delhi,
Uh-huh.
and their house backed into the back portion of Evergreen Sweet House there.
Mm-hmm.
And the sweet house used to use the angan, the courtyard
Yeah.
of the lower level of the house,
Uh-huh.
to make all the extra sweet orders that comes in for Diwali,
Oh, okay,
right?
okay.
So in return, they used to give them free plates of chole bhature to make up for the inconvenience caused. So those were very, very exciting times to,
Definitely, definitely.
for them. And the third story is from Manish Verma in Ohio.
Uh-huh.
He says post Diwali we used to make we used to use the Diwali lamps
Uh-huh.
to make tarazu, the weighing scales,
Oh, okay.
by piercing 3 little holes in them, using thread to tie it together, and then we would pretend like we are sellers of
ये
that
बच्चों वाली
dhan ka
game हो
lava,
जाए. Oh,
right?
okay,
So
okay.
that were kind of the toy that they played
they
with
used to
post
play with.
Diwali.
Right,
So
right,
that
right,
was
right.
interesting. And then Mrs. Nirdosh K says that in most families in North India, it was a tradition to make kajal, the eyeliner,
Right.
the homemade kajal, by placing the kajal dani, that's the kajal container,
Uh-huh.
over manik diya. Manik diya, she says, is lit by using mustard oil.
Okay.
And this kajal, so made, was considered to be good for the eyes.
Right,
And
right,
hence
right.
everyone in the family would apply it before going to bed at night.
Wow.
And
Those
then
are
need
like,
to,
those are like
that is
you
so
know,
interesting,
yes,
right?
definitely. I mean, we
हाँ.
think about it. सब different जगह पे हर एक की family में अलग-अलग चीज होती है. And since you are sharing so many stories, मुझे याद आती है कि मिठाइयाँ जो भी होती थी, they never used to be मतलब bad वगैरह. खोया हमेशा everyday fresh बन रहा होता था, ताकि लोगों की मिठाइयाँ comes out good. And हम लोग जब पटाखे चलाते थे, तो we always make sure कि cars आगे होती थी, इतना distance enough रखा जाता था, ताकि cars वगैरह को like अगर घर में celebrate कर रहे हैं, then बच्चे बाहर आते जाते सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे, एंड आते जाते जो लोग होते थे कई बार चिल्ला रहे होते थे, अरे रुक जाओ हम जा रहे हैं, हमें जाने दो, उसके बाद चलाना. तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, छोटी छोटी यादें हैं. एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू यूज एक खिलौने होते थे, खाते थे उनको, मीठे चीनी के बने होते थे.
Oh, you know what those are called? बताशा के कुछ वेरिएशन होते थे.
जी
Remember?
वो बताशा बिल्कुल गोल वाले होते हैं,
हाँ.
और इसी तरह के ये खिलौने की शेप होती थी, और बच्चों को I mean,
एलिफेंट होता था, जिराफ होता था,
horses
दिया
and
होते
दिए
थे.
होते थे. मतलब वो खाने में तो ऑफ कोर्स चीनी,
sugar. It was
is
nothing
always
but pure sugar.
Absolutely. लेकिन उसकी शेप भी हम हमेशा फिगर आउट करते थे, अच्छा ये कौन सी शेप है, उसे फूल मुखाने के साथ खाते होते थे.
Right.
एंड देन
उसको धान का लावा कहते थे.
धान का लावा, yes.
एंड आई थिंक वो धनतेरस में चढ़ाते थे.
जी,
वो
बिल्कुल.
बताशे, धान के लावे
I think
दिवाली
so.
में भी चढ़ाते थे.
बिल्कुल दिवाली वाले
हाँ.
चढ़ाते थे, और जैसे ही फिर दिवाली की पूजा खत्म हुई, बच्चे उसमें से निकाल के, पैसे भी होते थे वो भी लेते थे, और ये खिलौने भी निकाल के के खाते होते थे,
Right.
हट कहते थे उनको, हट में डालकर। आई डोंट नो आपके महाराष्ट्र में उनको कुछ और
नहीं,
शायद नाम
यूपी
कहते होंगे।
में हम लोग यूपी में, हम मेरे को बिल्कुल याद नहीं आ रहा। अगर कोई कॉलर सुन रहा हो और उसको नाम मालूम हो
बिल्कुल,
उसको
बिल्कुल।
कि वो बताशे काइंड ऑफ खिलौनास को क्या कहते थे, तो
और
जरूर हमें
और
कॉल
उन
करें।
चीजों को भी जिसमें हम बेसिकली कहते थे कि वो एक तरह का हाउस टाइप सा होता था, मिट्टी का बना होता था। आजकल लोग ऑफ कोर्स सिल्वर की वर्जन्स बाय करते हैं, दे उसके ऊपर दिए वगैरह भी लगाते थे और उसमें फूल मुखाने, अगर आप आई डोंट नो आप इस तरह
वो
से
हम नहीं
सेलिब्रेट करते
करते
थे।
थे, वो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा
ओके, बिकॉज वी यूज टू डू दैट, और उसे हट हम लोग कहते थे बेसिकली कि घर होता था और घर के अंदर खाना है और उसमें से तुम निकाल के पैसे और खाना वो बच्चों का होता था।
ओह, अच्छा,
दैट वाज अनदर वे ऑफ वी यूज टू सेलिब्रेट इट। तो आई थिंक ऑल दोज, एंड देन एक और चीज होती थी, उसका मेरे दिमाग से नाम निकल गया, उसके अंदर वो घर की एक कोने में हैंग करते थे उसे से नाम कुछ होता था, जिसमें दिया लगाते थे एंड उसमें से लाइट कहते हैं पूरे घर में फैलती थी बेसिकली।
ओह, अच्छा, वही माने
चिंडोक शायद ना होता हो हमारे में, वो कहते होते थे।
नहीं,
तो आई
मुझे
मीन
वो
इट्स
नहीं-
लाइक सो
अच्छा, that is
इंटरेस्टिंग,
so
ऑल
interesting, है
दोस
ना?
सीरियसली
I
नाउ यू
know.
स्टार्टेड ऑल दोस स्टोरीज एंड ऑल दोस
मे बी
मेमोरीज एंड
नेक्स्ट
माय
दिवाली
स्टोरीज।
हम वो ही लाएंगे, बस हर जगह की ट्रेडिशंस,
Traditions, that won't be a bad thing to
for
share.
Navratri, right?
Absolutely, I think that won't be a bad
There's
idea.
it's a never ending topic.
It's a
Actually, if you
never-ending
start
topic.
talking about memories, there's so much. All of us, I'm sure, will have some memory of some Diwali mishaps. Either we were
yes.
directly victim of it, or we witnessed something.
We
right?
witnessed something.
Like some things like the anar burst in the arm, in
Yes.
the palm of the
पूरा
hand.
जल
That
गया,
happened to my sister. Her whole palm was severely burned once.
Oh my god.
And then they were there are stories like when we go approach a atom bomb to check, it didn't burst. And then that exact moment it would burst.
Oh my
right?
God, yes,
So
yes,
we
yes,
all have heard of that.
Yes,
we have all heard of emergency cases increasing during Diwali, which
Diwali
is so
time,
sad.
which is sad.
And that is the result of lack of strict regulations in India. Like here in 4th of July, just the city does it,
Right.
organized fireworks,
Right.
And fortunately, even in India, that is coming up big time. Lot of associations and communities get together and do a firework display also.
So that the people are not doing it at home and they can avoid the mishaps that happen
yes,
sometimes.
yes, and the show, the sky looks
Right.
so pretty. Like यहाँ पे local Diwali melas
जी.
that happen in America.
जी.
They do like
All those fireworks and all that.
organized fireworks
Absolutely,
rather
absolutely.
than individuals doing it,
Right,
for
right,
Diwali.
right.
So yeah, that is. How much time do we have? Are we good on time?
We have about 20 minutes, so how about we go ahead and play now a song and then we'll
Sure.
resume our talks in the last part of our segment.
Sure, absolutely. Sounds
So
good.
Azam sir की request पर उन्होंने प्रेम रतन धन पायो, it's a
Oh,
new movie
wow.
coming up of Salman Khan and Sonam Kapoor. तो उस movie में एक प्रेम लीला गाना है which is based on Diwali only.
Oh, so beautiful.
So let's go ahead and listen to that track and we will continue our discussion.
Sure, absolutely.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning into Radio Hot Pepper 1220 AM. Once again, you're tuned into the special discussion we are having with Sonal Kulshrestha from Desi Diwar. Stay tuned, keep listening, kahin jaiyega mat. We will continue this discussion till 11 o'clock.
होने दे आज हल्ला, देखे गली मोहल्ला, चाहत के माथे चंदन का टीका। है राम सीता इसमें, शर्मो हया की रस्में, जिनमें मोहब्बतों का तरीका। सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला, सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला। राम सिया की देखो निराली है प्रेम लीला, प्रेम लीला। लंकापति बाबरे ताका झांकी क्यों करे, हेलन का पति बावरे, ताका झांकी क्यों करे, अपने को दिल भाव तू जानकी से रख परे, अपने को दिल भाव तू जानकी से रख परे। ना नैन कर्म कर तू, कुछ लाज शर्म कर तू, रावण तू कर यहाँ से रवानी, गुस्से में काहे को होता लाल पीला, गुस्से में काहे को होता लाल पीला, रामसिया की यह निराली है प्रेम लीला, प्रेम लीला।
वेलकम बैक लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से में दिस इज आरजे नीतू और हमारे साथ हैं
सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा।
और सोनल जी हमारे पास अभी कोई लिसनर हैं, सो लेट्स टेक देम ऑन एयर एंड सी व्हाट दे हैव टू शेयर विद अस। गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning and happy Diwali for you and welcome for your hot paper. I'm calling, I'm telling you, Sonal was telling about this 28 days, but you know, technically this is 30 days.
Oh,
this
nice.
Kartik, yeah. ये पड़वा टू अमावस्या, अमावस्या को ये दिवाली होती है,
जी।
देन अमावस्या टू पूर्णिमा.
अमावस्या to पूर्णिमा।
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for
And
calling.
you were mentioning about this कैंडल होता है ना, उसमें लगाते हैं दिया.
जी, कंडिल, कंडिल भी कहते हैं और उसका एक और आई थिंक वो पंजाबी वर्जन होता होगा हट।
हाँ, एंड यू नो खिल बताशा.
खिल बताशा।
ओ खिल बताशा, वही मुझे लग रहा था उसका क्या नाम था।
बिल्कुल।
तो एक बताशा होता
खिल
है,
का मतलब होता है ना, धनतेरस से वी स्टार्ट नो. खिल मतलब खिले रहो और बताशा मीन मीठे रहो.
ओ, खिले रहो और मीठे
वो
रहो।
सिग्निफिकेंस है उसका। ग्रेट।
Yeah, it's nice to listen all this.
Oh,
and
thank
it's
you.
Nice information.
जी,
So
Yeah,
that's-
thank you
that's
so
for
much.
your this thing.
Sure.
So nice.
थैंक
Have
यू,
fun.
थैंक यू आंटी,
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग। वही हम सोच रहे थे कोई कॉल करके हमें ये इन्फॉर्मेशन दे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग।
Okay, so nice.
थैंक यू। 8174681220। बिल्कुल, अगर आप लोगों के पास भी कुछ इस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन हो तो जरूर शेयर करें हमारे साथ। 8174681220 इज द स्टूडियो नंबर। सुन रहे हैं आप मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से आरजे नीतू के साथ। हमारे स्पेशल सेगमेंट में सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा जी आई हुई हैं स्टूडियो में एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिवाली। तो सोनल, आपने रंगोली की भी एक बार बीच में बात छेड़ी थी कि काफी बच्चे रंगोली वगैरह से खेलते भी हैं और मतलब लाइक लगाते हैं, उसको डेकोरेट करते हैं। घर के शुरुआत में इस चीज को किया जाता है, तो इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएं।
Yeah, Neetu, Rangoli art is a floor art, and it is very common to see it during Diwali and also some other Hindu festivals also. So people draw rangolis at the entrance of their house as a sign of welcome to the goddess Lakshmi.
Right.
So these are images and motifs drawn on the floor, and the designs are actually passed through generations.
Okay.
Some of them being hundreds of years old, in fact. And the designs are geometric and proportionate.
Okay.
So these are very interesting patterns that are drawn. And the basic pattern is drawn using, with fingers. You kind of draw it using rice powder or crushed limestone or even colored chalks.
Okay.
And then on top of it, to fill in the kind of just like coloring a art, right? You use different kinds of colored grains like pulses, beets, and even fresh flowers. So this is considered very auspicious to leave these patterns in the front of the house.
दैट इज वंडरफुल न्यूज। और सोनल, आप सिंस दिवाली की बात कर रही हैं, आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू मेंशन DCICA, दैट इज डेंटन काउंटी इंडिया कल्चरल एसोसिएशन। दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दिवाली धमाका। सो लेट मी क्विकली टेल माय लिसनर्स अबाउट दिस इवेंट एज वेल, because we are exclusive media partners of this association, and we want to tell our listeners so that they can all come in and enjoy this wonderful and beautiful festival.
Absolutely.
So ये इवेंट होने वाली है November 15, which is संडे के दिन फ्रॉम 3 PM to 9 PM एट मार्कस हाई स्कूल. एंड टिकट्स के लिए आप जल्दी से उन्हें कॉन्टैक्ट करें. यू कैन ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ DCICA यू कैन गेट दिस टिकट्स फॉर $10 and non-members can get it for $15. And if you have children under 12 years, for them the ticket is only $5, and children under 5 years and below, their ticket is absolutely free. And once again, for ticket information, you can call them at 817-368-8218. 817-368-8218. And as I said, Radio Hot Pepper is a proud and exclusive media partner of DCICA events. We have somebody with us. Good morning.
Hello. I need to know what time the Parvez Malik program.
जी परवेज जी का
rebroad-
जी रीब्रॉडकास्ट आप पूछ रहे हैं.
जी
जी
वो
परवेज जी
politically
का
incorrect.
जी उनका रीब्रॉडकास्ट होता है थर्सडे को फ्रॉम 1 to 3 11 to 1 सॉरी 11 to 1.
Thursday को जो पिछला अभी जो सैटरडे वाला जो गुजरा
जी जी जो सैटरडे वाला प्रोग्राम होगा यू विल गेट टू हियर इट ऑन थर्सडे फ्रॉम 11 to 1.
not before that.
नहीं सर नॉट बिफोर दैट.
Okay, thank you.
ठीक है थैंक यू सो मच. 817-468-1220. All right, Sonal, let's continue. And in fact, let's
Okay, we have a song request from Mrs. Nirdosh K from Mumbai. The song is मिले हैं चिरागों के रंगीन दिवाली है from the Bollywood movie Nazrana
नजराना
of 1961.
और इन्होंने ही अभी हमारे साथ इतनी ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन भी
Yeah,
शेयर की, राइट?
absolutely,
सो
हाँ.
डेफिनेटली टेल मी हर नेम वन मोर टाइम प्लीज.
Mrs. Nirdosh K.
मिसेस निर्दोष के मिसेस निर्दोष जी थैंक यू सो मच. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने ट्यून इन किया, हमें सुन रही हैं, हमें अप्रिशिएट कर रही हैं और इतनी यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन आपने हमारे साथ शेयर की. सो ट्रूली अप्रिशिएटेड. एंड येस ऑफ कोर्स व्हाई नॉट, आई विल रिकॉग्नाइज माय लिसनर्स रिक्वेस्ट एंड डेडिकेशन सबसे पहले. सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड लिसन टू दिस ट्रैक and then Sonal will continue with our last discussion. All right?
Sure.
So here you go. Enjoy the song.
मिले हैं चिरागों के रंगीन दिवाली है महका हुआ गुलशन है हंसता हुआ माली है. मिले हैं चिरागों के रंगीन दिवाली है महका हुआ गुलशन है हंसता हुआ माली है. इस रात कोई देखे धरती के नजारों को शर्माते हैं ये दीपक आकाश के तारों को. इस रात कोई देखे धरती के नजारों को शर्माते हैं ये दीपक आकाश के तारों को. इस रात का क्या कहना, इस रात का क्या कहना, ये रात निराली है महका हुआ गुलशन है हंसता हुआ माली है. मिले हैं चिरागों के रंगीन दिवाली है महका हुआ गुलशन है हंसता हुआ माली है. माली है, मेले हैं चिरागों के, रंगीन दिवाली है, महका हुआ गुलशन है, हंसता हुआ माली है।
नजराना मूवी से सुन रहे थे इस खूबसूरत से गाने को, जिसे फिल्माया गया था राज कपूर, विजंती माला, उषा किरण, आगा, सविता चटर्जी और अचला सचदेव जी पे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन टू रेडियो हॉट पेपर 1220 AM। सुन रहे हैं आप मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से आरजे नीतू के साथ, और हमारे साथ है सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा, एंड वी आर डूइंग द स्पेशल सेगमेंट ऑन दिवाली। तो सोनल जी, लेट्स एंड अ डिस्कशन। मेरा मन तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहा है इस डिस्कशन को रोकने का, बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग सो वंडरफुल। आई एम गेटिंग टू लर्न सो मच, एंड द लिसनर्स आर enjoying it because we can hear it from all the calls that are pouring in, and from all the messages that you and we both are receiving. So truly appreciate all the listeners for tuning in और हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए। चलिए एंड करते हैं इस खूबसूरत से किसी मैसेज के साथ, ताकि हमारे जो लिसनर्स हैं यहाँ से जाएं तो सारा दिन भी बात करते रहे और दिवाली आने तक भी बात करते रहे, इनफैक्ट उसके बाद भी बात करते रहे। तो कोई ऐसा कुछ खूबसूरत सा मैसेज जो आप दुनिया को देना चाहेंगे?
अच्छा नीतू, मुझे ये लगता है लाइक वी टॉक्ड इन नवरात्रि डिस्कशन आल्सो, राइट? Hinduism is the only religion where God is manifested in female forms too.
Yeah.
Right? It is a religion where daughter and daughter-in-laws are said to be regarded as Lakshmi.
Yeah.
And during this entire season of Hindu festivals in fall, we pray to different forms of God in a female form,
Right,
to
right,
different
right.
goddesses.
जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि पूरा नवरात्रि जो है हम देखें तो सारा देवी माँ पे
दुर्गा
है,
माँ, लक्ष्मी
उसके
माँ,
9 रूपों पर आधारित है। लक्ष्मी माँ जो है वो दिवाली पे शी इज अ मेन लेडी, टू बी प्रेड। Actually,
Right.
that is very true.
Right.
Actually, that's
so
very true.
I feel how beautiful it would be if we just use this whole season to reflect over that, right? The role of a female in the society, and but because I feel that somehow you don't see that Lakshmi regard being meted out that much.
Yes,
Of course, things are changing very fast in urban families. Daughters are pampered and educated. And yet I quote my daughter, okay, what she noticed. She says, in India, I see some men just sit and talk when they can be helping their wives with little things like setting the table or getting the water or helping wind up after the meal. For them, it's a little different,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
Because for them, party means everyone pitches in.
Everybody pitches in
Everyone
their efforts.
here,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So she notices this. But again, I would say that we must make this season of worshipping goddesses a time to reflect over ways of empowering women and treating them equally and respectfully in every single family.
Right.
Right, like in every little family. So now Manusmriti, that is our ancient Hindu scriptures on dharma topics, now has this shlok which I find really interesting, that says Sochanti jamyo yatra vinashay ut yashtatu tat kulam. Right?
Okay.
Na sochanti tu yatra ita varde te tadya hi sarvada.
Okay.
Now Jama means daughter and Jamata means son-in-law.
Okay.
So it essentially means where daughters are suppressed, the lineage, the whole family is soon destroyed. Where daughters are not suppressed, there is always prosperity.
Oh, that's nice.
Right?
That's beautiful.
So let's leave with this thought, but I want to wish everyone a very happy Diwali.
Thank you so much, Sonal. We have somebody with us. Let's take them on here.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Happy Diwali, and I need to know, can I listen to the program Parvez Malik Politically Incorrect on the website?
No, sir. You won't be able to listen to it unless कि वो उसका rebroadcast हो रहा होगा. Then you can listen to it. But we'll see, and I'll definitely find out more information, and I'll announce it tomorrow in my show. ठीक है?
Okay, so if I go to the website, I cannot hear it.
No, website पे जाके नहीं है इस तरह से आप सुन पाएंगे unless कि वो broadcast हो रहा होगा.
एक और नंबर भी है ना कि वो फोन पर सुन सकते हैं, वो क्या नंबर है? 832 समथिंग.
फोन पर सुन सकते हैं. चलिए मैं ढूंढती हूँ कि वो उसका नंबर क्या है. मेरे पास खुद नहीं है वो नंबर, तो I'll find that information out and I'll give it to you. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. 8174681220 is the studio number. Thank you so much once again, Sonal ji, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और इतनी खूबसूरत information share करने के लिए. I'll definitely try to replay my show again sometime during the Diwali time so that जो listeners ने miss कर दिया है, unfortunately, they can tune in again and they can listen to
Thank
this.
you,
Wonderful.
Neetu, and thanks a lot to Radio Hot Pepper for having me here every first Monday of each month. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And don't forget, Sonal Kulshrestha के articles भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं from our Radio Hot Pepper magazine. तो नया issue निकलने वाला होगा, जल्द ही निकलेगा, and जैसे ही निकल जाएगा, we will definitely update you on that as well. सुनते रहें, enjoy करते रहें, मस्ती करते रहें with Radio Hot Pepper 1220 AM. This is RJ Neetu signing off from her show.
लगे सजना मेरा आज पगलाया है, ओ लगे सजना मेरा आज पगलाया है।
आई है दिवाली सुनो जी घर वाली, तेरे कंगने ने दिल धड़काया है।
अरे रे 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 सजना पगलाया है, अरे रे 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 सजना पगलाया है।
चारों तरफ दिए जल रहे, देखो जी देखो ये क्या कह रहे।